Hey everyone, in today's video I will show you how to make a bar graph in Google Sheets. So first, open your Google Sheet and enter your data properly in the rows and columns. Now, with your data ready, select the entire range just like this and then go to the Insert tab and select Charts. Now, here at the right panel, you will see the chart type. So, as you can see, there are a lot of chart styles available. So, click on the bar chart, and as you can see here, our bar chart is ready. We can drag it and move it anywhere we want. And if you want to customize it, you can just click the Customize tab, and there are several options to customize your chart. So that's it. That's all for today. Your bar graph is ready in just a few clicks. So thank you for watching.